Hi, this is us. You're watching Mr. Us channel on YouTube. In this video, we have a topic on coaxial cable. So, we are reading our data transmission medium, and the medium here is physical medium, means wires. In the wires mediums, we already done about our twisted pair, and our next quality wire is coaxial cable. So how it is formed and can send data on a longer distance? Coaxial cable consists of copper wire covered by an insulating material. So it is first of all covered by insulating material. The insulated copper wire is covered by copper mesh. And the insulated copper wire is also covered by copper mesh. First of all, a wire is covered by insulating material, and then on the insulating material on the upper side we another copper mesh. The mesh protects the data signals from interference by external electromagnetic waves. Coaxial cables are used by the cable TV network and telephone companies. So coaxial cables are mostly used as you are seeing cable in your areas and where these wires are we are using. So all of coaxial cable, we have characteristics of coaxial cable. It is more expensive transmission medium than twisted pair. Next we have it provides high data transfer rate than twisted pair cable. Third we have it can be installed very easily. So next, so here you can see the sketch of coaxial cable. First of all we have copper wire, and that copper wire covered by insulation, and next that insulation also covered by copper mesh. Also this copper mesh is covered by outside insulation. So this is our sketch of the coaxial cable, and we are reading physical transmission mediums. So gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.